Hi everybody, it's Brandon, your friendly Lexus certified technician at Lexus of Edmonton. Today we're going to go over checking your wiper blades and how to change them if we need to. So with winter coming around the corner, pretty important to have your wipers in good condition. So what we normally do is we take the blade and we give it a little tear like this, and if it tears, that's how we know that you need to replace it. So we're going to replace this one. I'll show you how to do that real quick. So you just flip up this tab here, and then you just slide it backwards, and then it'll come right out. And then if you have genuine Lexus equipment wiper blades, we can replace just the insert. So you don't have to replace the whole thing. Saves you a little bit of money, saves the environment a little bit. So we just pull it out. One end is different from the other, so it only comes out one end, and we pull it out like that. Then we get our new one. We make sure it goes in on the same end, or else when you wipe your wipers, it might come off. So we got to make sure we put it on the right way. And slide it back in. Make sure you get it through all the feet. And of course, we'll do this for you. Give it a little tug to make sure it's secure. And then pop it back onto the wiper arm. And that's how you do that. We recommend checking your wipers and changing them once a year so you get maximum performance out of them. And if your windshield is cracked or chipped, it's going to accelerate the degradation of the blades. So we recommend that you repair your windows regularly too. And yeah.